So the cloud services. So what are the cloud services are available? The left side, actually, we have seen the types of cloud computing. That's okay. But the right side, actually, we are going to see that in cloud services. What are the cloud services are available? See here. PaaS as one of the cloud services. SaaS is one of the cloud services. And IaaS. Let's come with the IaaS. IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service. IaaS stands for that infrastructure as a service. So what is this infrastructure as a service? It's one of the cloud service. What are the features will be available in the infrastructure as a service? IaaS. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. See here, yes, this is nothing but in the cloud environment, you can get that infrastructure. You can get the infrastructure. That means in the cloud environment, you can get that on a virtual machine. Just imagine. The virtual machine, you are getting it. This is nothing but it's like our new laptop. The new laptop, actually, suppose if you are going to purchase that one new laptop now, the laptop actually, so it will have that the basic features only in that basic softwares only installed. That working environment only will be available. But your business related softwares, if you want to work out now, then you have to install it. You have to install it. It is your responsibility. You have to install it. So the IaaS is infrastructure as a service means actually you are getting that one. It's like a one new laptop, because the new laptop, you will not have that any of the required softwares. It's like in the cloud environment, you can get that on new environment, or new blank environment. You can get it in that blank environment. You can install all the softwares, whatever the softwares you are going to use it. So infrastructure as a service. So you are going to get only the infrastructure, and required softwares you have to install it. So this is one of the features are available in the cloud environment. It's called the IaaS, cloud service, infrastructure as a service, cloud service. The next one is the PaaS, platform as a service. Platform as a service. What is this platform as a service? The platform as a service, actually, so here is nothing but the IaaS, actually, we are getting the infrastructure only, right? But the platform as a service, actually, we can get it with the software. We can get it with the software. For example, if you are going to work out in the SQL Server environment, the cloud SQL I want to work out now, I can get it my system with the SQL installation. The SQL software will be there. So you can work out, you can do that your development using that software. You don't want to install it. You don't want to install it. Already the softwares will be installed. Whatever the softwares you want to use it. So along with the software, you can purchase it in the cloud environment. So that type of environment is called platform as a service. So software is only there, but the rest of the development, you have to do it. Suppose in the database perspective, if you want to say that one, so creating the databases, we have to create it. Creating the tables, we have to create it. Inserting, deleting records, everything we have to do it. All the setups, software only available. The rest of the setups, creating the databases, creating the tables, creating the views, all the things we have to do it. It's our development. So it is called a platform as a service. So along with the software, if you want to get it now, yes, you can get it. So that type of service is called a platform as a service. And then SaaS. SaaS is nothing but a software as a service. Software as a service. Software as a service means it's a completed one. It's a completed one. It's a completed one. So I don't know how many people heard about Zogo. Zogo actually is a software as a service product. So Zogo, it's one of the Indian company. So that company actually they are selling the products. They're selling products. The product is completed one. Completed one means nothing but for your requirement, already developed application will be there. For your business requirement, already developed applications will be there in the market. Somebody will say that one. Example, that's Zogo. Will sell it. They will sell it, already developed one. That application will be suitable for you. For simple example, even Gmail, it's a SaaS application, Gmail. So the Gmail not only for the individual purpose, the Gmail you can use it for the business purpose also. The companies, they can purchase that email ID from the Gmail to use their domain. So abc.com. But the actual application, whose application? Gmail application. The Gmail, they can use it. But in the Gmail, they cannot do any changes. All the features as it is, it will be available. As how you are using as an individual user, the same features will be available for the organization user also. So this is called SaaS. SaaS means nothing but it's a completed application. You can use it as an end user. You don't want to do any changes in that application. So it's a completed application. So these three types of services are available in the cloud environment. IaaS, just you are going to get the only environment, and rest of the softwares, whatever you want to use it, you are going to install it. PaaS, platform as a service, along with the environment, you can get the software also. Using the software, you can do the development. So it's a platform as a service. SaaS is so application, developed application you are going to purchase it. It's like a ready-made. Application already developed. So that application, if you want to use it, you can do it. Office 365. Office 365. It is a SaaS application. It's a developed one. It's a ready-made application. You can start to use that Excel. You can start to use that, what is this one? Word. The cloud-wise, you can use it. The cloud itself, you can use it. So these are the services are available in the cloud actually. So this is the type of the cloud and then cloud services. The type of the cloud: public, private, and hybrid, and cloud PaaS, cloud services, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So here you can understand that the IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. See this one from the right side, just to see from the right side. So the data center, physical plant, building, networking, firewall security, server and storages. So these setups are available. So environment only available. There is no software, even no OS. Environment only will be available. So this is called IaaS. See, suppose PaaS means along with this feature, there will be a OS and then the development tools. That means the softwares where you are going to work out, where you are going to develop your application. The development tools, database management, business analytics, whatever the softwares you want to use it, you can use it. You can purchase it along with your system, along with your setup environment. So if you are getting this type of features now, this is called PaaS. SaaS means hosted application or apps. Developed one, already developed one is available. You can directly purchase it and you can start to use it. You don't want to do any development on that application. It's a developed one. So this is called the SaaS. So this environment is called IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Fine. Then let's go. What is Azure? So Azure is nothing but Azure is a cloud computing service created by the Microsoft, where user can create the servers, storage systems, database, extra using an online portal, and Microsoft will maintain the data center or physical infrastructure. You don't want to maintain anything. So now, so you can understand that feature of that Azure cloud environment. So just a portal, you can access that your cloud environment. You can access that cloud environment. So this is, see here, so a lot of companies actually, so nowadays, so they are started to use that our Azure environment, Azure files, Azure cloud features actually. Almost 95% of Fortune 500 companies are using Azure, and the Microsoft, they are spending that 1 billion every year investment they are spending from the cyber threats to secure product from the cyber threats for the security purpose. And fastest growing cloud service provider, second largest market. So this Microsoft Azure, you can start to use it with a free account. Later, you have to go with the pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. So the free, it will be available for the 30 days only from the creation date. It will be available only for the 30 days. Later, you can go with that. You have to pay the amount for that usage. Whatever you are using, for that, you have to pay the amount. So that part actually, so we will see it in that our next session, how to create that, how to create the new account. We will see it later. I will show you how to create it. So after I'm telling you, just you can create actually. So you don't want to create that one. Before that one, I will give that options how to work in the with the free features. Before creating that one new account, we will try to use that free features. So without my knowledge, don't create that your account. I will tell you when you have to create that account. So that time you can create it. But for creating the account, we need that one Outlook email ID and one credit card. Outlook email ID and one credit card. Suppose if you don't have that email ID and credit card, please arrange it. Okay. Fine. That's all for the day. So tomorrow actually we'll continue the same.